So, what are numbers? Numbers. There are two types of numbers: real numbers and imaginary numbers. Imaginary numbers we are going to study in 11th or 12th class. Real numbers. There are three types. There are three types in real number: natural number, whole numbers, integers. Natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3 and infinite. They are also called counting numbers. Whole number, which starts from 0. Whole means Sara, so it starts from 0. And integers, which are negative also and positive also. If somebody asks that which is greater, natural number or whole number, so there would be the answer whole number, because there is one digit added, that is 0. So these are called rational number, and irrational number you are going to study in bigger class. So you know HCF and LCM. If there is digit 5, 15, 20, so we will take HCF, means we have to break them. Like 5 is the primary number, so 1 into 5. 15, 1 into 3 into 5. 20, 1 into 2 into 2 into 5. And HCF, the full form of HCF is highest common factor. Highest common factor means, first we have to see the full form. See, like highest common factor. Factor means factor 1 into 3 into 5 or 15. Factor. Common, 1 is common, 3 is common, 5 is common. And highest, which is highest? 5 is highest. HCF of 15 and 45 is 5. So what is LCM? HCF clear. So LCM, lowest common multiples. So multiples means table of that number or multiples of that number, both are same. If you want, you may write the table of that number. So multiples means table. Common, which are common? 45, 45, 90, 90, 135, 135. So these are common. And lowest, which is lowest? 45. 45 is lowest. So LCM of 15 and 45 is 45. Okay, because this is lowest. What are composite numbers and prime numbers? Prime numbers means so what is composite number? Composite number are not prime numbers. Example 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. And prime numbers which is not a multiple of any number, which comes in only its table, like 2, 3, 5, 7. And composite number are not prime numbers, means that are multiples of any table, right? So example of prime number are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 12, 13, 17, 19, etc. So we can take, if there we have LCM of these are two small digits, so we got the LCM 90, 90 and 1. If there would be largest digit or biggest digit, big digit, so sometimes we are not able to find the LCM. So here a method, that is prime factorization, we can take like 80, 140, 200. We are not able to find the LCM of these three numbers, so we can find like this: 240, 70. So it will go in 2 and 5 table, and 7 also. We will multiply these all, and the answer will be this. And what is the meaning of LCM? Lowest common multiples means this is the lowest, मतलब कि छोटा, सबसे छोटा. कॉमन मीन्स जो सब में सेम था. मल्टीपल, टेबल में जो सबसे छोटा आ रहा था. लेट्स गो टू नेक्स्ट पेज. देयर आर सम प्रॉपर्टीज लाइक व्हेन वी आर operating integers, if both numbers have same sign at both numbers, and if like, so here are properties when we are separating integers. So we are means, let me show you how to do it. Let me take a new page. I'm taking here. So here it means if we write 2 plus 1. So here is written 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. If we write minus 2 plus 1, so plus minus minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, and the sign of greater digit, greater is 2, so there would be minus 1, so answer would be minus 1. And here is written, if both numbers have different sign, subtract smaller number from greater number and put the sign of greater number, as we have studied now the digit of greater number. And do you know what is the only even prime number? If you know, so comment it, but let me tell you the answer. The smallest, the even prime number is only 2, only 2. Okay, so we go here. Rational numbers. First of all, rational numbers are numbers represented in the form of p by q. If somebody asks that, let me tell you. If somebody asks that, what is the difference between rational number and fractions? What is fractions? Let me show you. Wait, means rational numbers are the both are in form of p by q. If you tell that fraction are in the form of p by q, that is right. And if you tell rational numbers are in form of p by q, that is also right. But if both are same, so why the names are different? So let me explain you. If we say the fraction is in the p by q form, so that is right. But if somebody asks the statement of rational number, so there would be the answer. Rational number are number represented in the form of p by q, where p and q HCF should be 1. This is the right statement. So these are shortest form. P by q have p and q have HCF should be 1. Comparing equivalent rational numbers, if means if we have 4 upon 8 and 12 upon 80, so we have to just cut them from the table that can be cut, like 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. Here 2 4 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18. Okay, here is cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method means, like if we have digit 4 upon 6 is and 12 upon 18, so we have to do cross multiplication. So we will simply 6 divide 6 into multiply 6 into 12 and 4 into 18, like this. So answer will be same. And we can also do like this. We can take 4 by 6 and reciprocal of 18 upon 12, 12 upon 18. So 4 into 18 and 6 into 12. So answer will be 72. Next, here are formulas, like if we write this statements, x into y is equal to y into x. Let me give you an example. So here is the statement was, if we write y plus y into x is equal to x into y. So what we have to do, if we take 2 into 2, let we take 8 is equal to 8 into 2. What is 2 into 8? 16. 2 8 is 16 is equal to 16. And what is this? 8 into 2, 8 to the 16, so answer will be 16. Both are same, verified. It will not be applied in divide and minus. Like if we minus 5 minus 1, so this will be 4. If we minus 1 minus 5, so there will be minus 4. That will not be equal. Plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, and 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So verified. So here we have to do reciprocal, division of reciprocal. So if we have a upon b divided by c upon d, so it will simply be is equal to a upon b into d upon c.